For centuries, we've watched nature's beauty unfold before us. Its quiet resilience, its breathtaking wonders, and the intricate balance that sustains all life. Yet we've also witnessed its struggles, often as passive observers, sometimes as its greatest threat, leaving scars that may take generations to heal. Now, as our planet faces unprecedented challenges, we turn to our own creations for help. Tools born from human ingenuity, now repurposed to serve the Earth. Imagine robots, not as cold machines, but as allies, working to heal what we've harmed, nurturing new life where hope once faded. The age of the eco-robot is dawning, not to replace nature, but to assist it, to become caretakers and guardians of the wild. These machines can reach where we cannot, tirelessly restoring balance in fragile places, mending coral reefs, replanting forests, and reviving habitats on the brink. This isn't about controlling the wild, but about giving it a chance to recover, to flourish once more under our shared stewardship. What does this future look like? Will technology curate nature or simply give it space to heal, allowing ecosystems to thrive in their own time? As we begin this journey, we must proceed with humility and respect for the living world, recognizing that we are only one part of a much greater whole. The story of robots and nature is just beginning, and its ending is up to us, shaped by the choices we make and the care we show for our planet. Forests are the lungs of our planet, providing us with clean air, shelter for countless species, and a vital balance for our climate. But today, they're under siege from deforestation, wildfires, and disease, threats that are accelerating due to human activity and climate change. Enter a new kind of forester, drones and autonomous rovers, working together to restore woodlands on a scale once unimaginable and in ways never before possible. Picture swarms of drones planting seeds across burned hillsides, guided by advanced mapping and artificial intelligence to find the best spots for new growth and biodiversity. These machines can reforest vast, inaccessible areas in hours, places where humans could never reach easily, giving nature a crucial head start in recovery. On the ground, robots monitor soil, moisture, and spot early signs of trouble, like wildfires or illegal logging, helping us respond before disaster strikes. They gather vast amounts of data, allowing us to manage forests with a lighter touch, greater precision, and a deeper understanding of the ecosystem's needs. Instead of building roads and disturbing habitats, we send in quiet, efficient machines to plant or monitor, minimizing disruption to wildlife and the forest floor. These robots empower us to be better stewards, taking on dangerous, laborious tasks that would be risky or impossible for people. They're not here to control the forest, but to serve it, helping natural processes along, not replacing them. By freeing us from routine work, these machines let us focus on understanding, protecting, and nurturing the intricate web of life that forests sustain. With their help, our forests have a real fighting chance to thrive for generations to come, ensuring a greener, healthier future for all. The ocean's depths are mysterious and fragile, holding secrets that have fascinated humanity for centuries. Yet today, these hidden worlds are threatened by warming temperatures, acidification, and the relentless spread of plastic pollution. To confront these challenges, robotic explorers have become our partners in protecting this blue heart of the planet, venturing where humans cannot. Take coral reefs, for example. Robots like Larval Bot carefully reseed damaged reefs with microscopic coral larvae, restoring life with a precision and consistency that divers alone can't match. In open waters, autonomous vessels and floating barriers tirelessly collect plastic waste, preventing it from harming marine life. Meanwhile, underwater robots target microplastics on the seabed, removing even the tiniest threats to ocean health. These machines work around the clock, cleaning up decades of pollution that have accumulated on the ocean floor. They also filter seawater, releasing cleaner water, and giving marine life a better chance to thrive in their natural habitats. Robotic eyes and ears map the ocean floor, track marine migrations, and monitor ecosystem health, gathering information impossible to collect by hand. They provide vital data, revealing subtle changes beneath the waves that might otherwise go unnoticed. This information guides our conservation efforts, helping us act with greater knowledge and precision. With advanced technology, we can now reach places humans can't, exploring deep-sea trenches and remote habitats. We can also act faster than ever before, responding quickly to new threats and emergencies. These tools don't replace the ocean's wildness. They help us protect and preserve it for future generations. The knowledge they bring is essential for making wiser, more informed decisions about our ocean's future. Our partnership with these remarkable machines may truly be the key to saving the seas and ensuring their wonders endure. Studying wild animals has always been a challenge. Our presence can disturb their natural behavior. Now, robots disguised as animals let us observe without intrusion. Imagine a robotic penguin blending into a colony, capturing intimate footage and vital data. Similar decoys, crocodiles, otters, sloths, gather insights without stress to wildlife. Drones with thermal cameras patrol African savannas, spotting poachers and alerting rangers before harm is done. GPS collars track animal movements, revealing migration routes and conflict zones with humans. This technology helps us build wildlife corridors and early warning systems, fostering peaceful coexistence. We're not controlling animals, but learning to live alongside them, using technology as a bridge, not a barrier. Eco-robots hold promise, but we must tread carefully. Nature's complexity defies simple solutions. A robot meant to remove invasive plants might accidentally destroy rare natives or compact soil, harming ancient trees. Drones can disturb wildlife in subtle ways, interfering with bat sonar or stressing nesting birds. Even well-designed machines can introduce new problems, from pollution to habitat disruption. We must consider the full life cycle of these robots, their materials, their impact, and their disposal. If we're not careful, our solutions could become tomorrow's problems. True progress means ensuring our technology helps, not harms, the world we seek to protect. The future isn't a contest between robots and nature. It's a partnership. Technology should support natural processes, not replace them. Eco-robots must be designed as apprentices to nature, learning from ecosystems before acting. Their role is to mimic and accelerate natural recovery, not impose rigid plans. Balance is key. Lighter, quieter, biodegradable machines that minimize their footprint. Artificial intelligence must be wise, able to adapt and know when to leave things untouched. These machines reflect our values. If we seek to protect, they become tools for restoration. Our relationship with technology mirrors our relationship with the planet. We can move from consuming to caring, using our ingenuity to preserve nature's treasures. The partnership between silicon and soil is our chance to heal the earth. We stand at a new frontier. Robots can help us restore forests, clean oceans, and protect wildlife. The question isn't what machines can do, but what they should do. Over-reliance could make nature sterile, managed, and fragile. A garden, not a wilderness. Our greatest risk is losing our connection to the wild, not robots turning against us. We must use technology as scaffolding to be removed once nature recovers. For every engineer, we need a biologist. Technological and ecological wisdom must grow together. These machines are tools, reflecting our intentions. It's our responsibility to ensure they serve to protect, not dominate, our one precious home.